In two exercise, we have discussed first one. Second one we have discussed. Third, any doubt? Two question. How many we have discussed?
Up to 4.
Up to fourth we have discussed. Fifth we have discussed or not? Fifth not yet.
No.
Okay, we start with fifth. First fifth. Up to fourth, no doubts. Fifth, start doing fifth one. So see here in fifth one, AB is given, BC is given, and three angles. That means two sides and three angles are given. Two sides and three angles are given. Two sides and three angles are given. So AB, BC. So first we can draw the rough figure. AB is of length 4.5 centimeters. Now see here at A and B, at what and B we are having angle. So angle B is 60 degree. That has A we are having angle of 60 degree. At B we are having angle of 120 degree. So we have to draw here 120 degree angle. Here we have to draw 60 degree angle. Now BC is how much? 3.8 centimeters.
Sir,
So here will be our C
right side.
point. Okay, you are not able to see.
No, sir, rough diagram we are not able to see completely.
Now,
Yes, sir, now okay.
Yes, sir, now we can see.
is it visible now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Good morning, sir.
AB is 4.5 centimeters. BC, good one. BC 3.8 centimeters. So at angle at vertex A, we have to draw an angle of 60 degree. At B, we have to draw an angle of 120 degree. And at C, we have to draw an angle of 90 degree. So here 90 degree. Will be our D. This is our rough figure we have to draw. This is 90 degree. This figure we have to draw. Some bit like this we have to go draw. So see here, it may happen that whatever figure we have drawn is little or much different from the figure we have drawn the rough figure. It may happen. But from rough figure, we may have the idea what kind of figure we have to draw and how to proceed. How we are going to draw the figure. How to proceed, we will know. So first we will be drawing AB will be drawing first. It is of length 4.5 centimeters. Take 4.5 centimeters length and draw one line. Draw a line AB of 4.5 centimeters. Draw a line AB of 4.5 centimeters. Yes, what's your name? Your name? Yug. Have you drawn it? Why you haven't brought? You didn't know. It has been provided on WhatsApp as well. Yesterday it was told in class. So whenever you come to class, you must bring the essentials. If you are not having, now stay quiet. Don't talk in class. So AB we have drawn 4.5 centimeters. Now at A, make an angle of 60 degree. Make an angle of 60 degree. So take any length in your compass, for example, 2 or 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters you take at least. So it will be more accurate. So Around 3 centimeters you take and draw an arc. Construct one arc with the same radius. Don't change the radius in compass. From this point, cut one arc. We got 60 degree. Now draw the line. Draw the line. This is clear. So D will be lying somewhere on this line. D will be lying somewhere on this line. At B, make an angle of 120 degree. At B, make an angle of 120 degree. At B, make an angle of 120 degree. So make one arc with the same radius. Cut once, 60 we made, cut again. We got 120 degree. Once again. So 60 plus 60, 120 we got. So 60 plus 60 we got 120. Now this angle is 120 degree, 60 degree. So with protractor as well we can check them whether we have drawn correctly or not. So always keep checking in between whether we have drawn correctly or not. Now C point, C vertex how far from B? How far is C from B? 3.8 centimeters. So take 3.8 centimeters radius in your compass. 3.8 you take from B, make one arc. So here C will lie 3.5 centimeters. 3.8. 3.8, take 3.8 centimeters in your compass. Take 3.8 and make one arc. So we have got which point? Yes, look front. I'll make you this time if I see you, I'll make you to sit at the back. So we have got C. It is how far from B? 3.8 centimeters. 3.8 centimeters. We got the C. At C, we have to do an angle of 90 degree. So at C, draw an angle of 90 degree. Draw an angle of 90 degree. Make an arc. 60 we got, 30 more we require. So what we'll do, the second 60, we will bisect that. 60, 60, 120. If we bisect this one, we'll get 30 degrees. So this is 90 degree. This line has to be produced more. And we got our D. So wherever these two lines meet, there will be, that meeting point will be D. Have you drawn?
No, sir.
Any? Yes, look front. Nisha, look front. And now we'll be starting constructing parallelogram. Parallelogram is a kind of quadrilateral. So if in quadrilateral opposite sides are equal, then it becomes parallelogram. Or if opposite sides are parallel, two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. A pair of opposite sides are parallel. So A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to DC. BC is parallel to AD. First property, second, opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD or DC. BC is equal to AD. This is understood. If AB is given 5 centimeters, what will be the length of DC? 5 centimeters. If BC is 4 centimeters, what will be the length of AD? 4 centimeters. So if any two sides are given, we'll know the rest of the two sides. If two adjacent sides are given, we'll know the other two sides. If one angle is given, for example, this is 60 degrees, we can know all the three angles. How? Opposite angles are equal. So angle A equal to angle C. So this will be our 60 degree. And adjacent angles are supplementary. That means angle A plus angle B is how much? 180 degree. It is 180 degree. Therefore, this angle B will be how much? 120 degree. Then again opposite angles 120 degree. See here, angle A plus angle B 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D 180 degree. Angle D plus angle A 180 degree. So adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary and opposite angles are equal. These are the properties. What more we have discussed? Diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other. If AC is 8 centimeters, what will be the length of AO? 4 centimeters, because diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. So these are the properties we'll be using to construct the parallelogram. So here, first question. Two sides and one angle is given. Two sides and angle contained between them is given. So first do the rough figure. A, B, C, D. Have you drawn? Draw them. I'll be checking after some time.
Sir.
So we'll be drawing A, B, C, D. Rough figure we have drawn A, B, C, D. Now AB is given how much? 7.4 centimeters. 7.4 centimeters, 5.2 centimeters, and angle B is given 120 degree. Angle ABC. Angle ABC. This is 120 degree. This we have to draw. This parallelogram we have to draw. So first we'll be drawing which line? A base we need, AB. So we start with AB. Keep drawing. AB length of 7.4 centimeter. At B, make an angle of 120 degree. Make an angle of 120 degree at B. $60, again 60. Now this angle is 120 degree. BC is how much? 5.2. So take radius of 5.2. Take radius of 5.2 and make an arc. So this point is the meeting point of this arc and line is the which point? It's the C vertex. Here we have C. Now we have to do the D. We have to draw the D. How to draw? We do not have these two lengths. They are not given. So we will use property of parallelogram. It is CD will be equal to BC, BA or AB. It will be how much? 7.4 centimeter. This will be how much? 5.2 centimeter. Understood this one? Now see here, D is how far from 7.4 centimeters? D is how far from C? 7.4 centimeters. And how far from B? A. How far from A? 5.2. So we have to find a point such that it is 7.4 centimeters away from C and 5.2 centimeters away from A. So what we will do, we take radius of first 7.4. So take radius of 7.4 in your compass, and from C we draw an arc. An arc we have drawn. Now again, okay, see here, this D we have to draw. How far it is from C? 7.4. And how far from A? 5.2. So first we are drawing an arc. We are taking in length of this radius. We are taken 7.4. And we have drawn an arc. So now see here, every point on this arc. Every point on this arc is how far from C? 7.4, because it's the radius. Center, radius. So every point on this arc is how far from C? 7.4 centimeters. So D will lie somewhere on this arc. D will lie somewhere on this arc, such that one more condition is there. What is that? That D point must be, D vertex must be how far from A? 5.2. Now take 5.2 radius in your compass and from A make an arc. Now see here, every point on this arc, it is 5.2 centimeters away from A. But there is one point wherever these two arcs meet. Wherever these two arcs meet, that point is how far from C? 7.4. How far from A? 5.2. Yes, any doubt here? Someone asked, I think. 5.2, how to draw? Take the scale, 5.2 centimeters. Okay. Or what you can draw, we have already drawn 5.2 centimeters here. From there as well we can take. From here as well we can take and cut an arc. So this meeting point of these two arcs, that is 7.2 centimeters, 7.4 centimeters away from C, 5.2 centimeters away from A. Cavalier, look front. Understood this one? This is our which point, which vertex? D. Now with the scale, join them. C and D, join them. A and D, join them. So we got the parallelogram. Understood this one? Draw the second one. First, read the question. What are given, then find, then try to speculate how to draw. How we are going to draw it. So first, draw the rough figure. AB, BC, AC. See here, AB, BC, they are AB and BC, they are sides of the parallelogram, whereas AC is diagonal. So two sides and one diagonal is given. Two sides and one diagonal are given. So AB these are given. AB is 3.6, 4, 6.5. 3.6, 4, 6.5 centimeters. These are given to us. AB, BC, and AC are given. So see here, first we draw AB. Yes, look front. First we draw AB. Tomorrow you two won't sit together. Remember this one. I already told from tomorrow onwards don't sit together. So first we'll be drawing a line AB of length 3.6 centimeters. Drawn 3.6 centimeters. AB. Now see here. Which point will you draw? D or C first? D we can't draw. First C we have to draw. How to draw C? It is how far from B? 4 centimeters. How far from A? 6.5. So meeting of those two arcs will get C. Draw that one. So take radius of 6.5. And from A, make an arc. So every point on this arc is 6.5 centimeters away from A. So C will be lying on this arc somewhere. Somewhere C will be lying on this arc. And how to get C point? Because C has to be how far from B? One condition is given, 4 centimeters. So we draw an arc of 4 centimeters. In your scale, take 4 centimeters, cut an arc. So every point on this arc is 4 centimeters away from B. And this, wherever these two arcs meet, that point is 4 centimeters away from B and 6.5 centimeters away from A. Understood this one? So which vertex we got? C. We got C. Now join them with scale. Look here, you may get a little different figure from mine because I'm not using the proper scale. Just approximate I am drawing. Okay, approximate I am drawing. You may get a little bit different figure. So we have got C. This is 3.6 centimeter. This is 4 centimeters. Now D. D is how far from C? D will be how far from C? 3.6 centimeters. Opposite sides are equal. So D is how far from C? 3.6. How far from A? 4 centimeters. So we'll draw a point here such that it is 3.6 centimeters away from C and 4 centimeters away from A. So again take 3.6, make an arc. So every point on this arc is 3.6 centimeters away from C. Take 4 centimeters and make an arc. So we have got D. Little bit different figure you'll be getting slight like this. Little bit like this figure you'll be getting. Okay. This is 6.5 centimeters. Now with scale you can check whether it is 3.6. So while drawing, keep checking them. Drawn. Yog. You don't have to tell anything. Do your work. D, how we got D? See here, D is how far from C? 3.6 centimeters. So from C, we have drawn an arc of 3.6 centimeters. And how far from A? 4 centimeters. From A, we have drawn an arc of 4 centimeters. So wherever these two arcs meet, we'll get the D point. Everyone have drawn? Anyone remaining, raise your hand. Okay, keep drawing. We'll be discussing third then. After a minute, we'll start discussing third one. Nisha, do your work. No discussions in class. Any doubt in this question? Which part you haven't understood? How we got C? C is how far from B? Sit down. How far from B? 4 centimeters. So from B, we have drawn an arc of 4 centimeters. And C is how far from A? 6.5. From A, we have drawn an arc, 6.5. So wherever they meet, that point will be how far from B? 4 centimeters. How far from A? 6.5 centimeters. So we have got the C point, wherever these two arcs meet. Any more? Any doubt? Drawn or haven't brought? Where's
Drawn.
the notebook? I'll be checking after some time. This is clear? Now move to third one. Read the third one and try to figure out what data are given. So AC, BD and CD. AC, BD and CD. Two diagonals and one. What are given? Two diagonals and one side.
Side.
Two diagonals and one side. AC and BD are diagonals. CD is the side. AC and BD are the diagonals. CD is the side. So we start with the eight days is in here. Attendance. So two diagonals, one side is given. Two diagonals, one side is given. Here CD is given. CD. Okay. A, B, CD. CD is given how much? 8 centimeters. BD is bigger than AC. So we draw that side. See here. AC 8 centimeters, BD 14 centimeters. These are given. CD 8 centimeters, BD 8 centimeters, AC 14 centimeters. So see here, where should we start drawing in notebook? Start from the right corner because figure is going to be on the left. It is going to be tilted on left. So if this is your page, we start drawing somewhere here because this figure is going to be this side and this will be 14 centimeters length. One diagonal will be 14 centimeters length. So we'll start from this corner. Leave little bit space of 1 or 2 centimeters and then we'll start the drawing. We must have space on the left of the page. On the left side, we must have the space. So first we'll be drawing the base CD. We'll be drawing the base CD. Line CD you draw. Yog, look front. One more time, if I speak your name, you'll be back. At back. Don't turn on the side. Look front. Vedant. Yug. CD. We have drawn CD of 8 centimeters. Now how to draw the rest of the diagonals? So any property we know? AB equal to 8 centimeters, but how to draw that? We won't require that one at present. No need of writing. These are the data given. How to draw that one now? See any property, diagonals in parallelogram bisect each other. It means we can get this point. This point we can get. Let it be O. Okay. How far O from D? This will be 7 centimeters. How far from C? 4 centimeters. So we can draw O. Wherever 7 centimeter arc, 4 centimeter arc meet, we'll get the O. Understood this one? So take radius of 7 centimeters. Take radius of 7 centimeters. So from D, make an arc. From D we are finding the location of O. It is how far from D? 7 centimeters. So take radius of 7 centimeters. From D, draw an arc. So every point on this arc is 7 centimeters away from D. And we have to find a point on this arc such that it is 4 centimeters away from C. So take radius of 4 centimeters and make an arc. So this, we have got the O, the midpoint we have got. It is 7 centimeters from D, 4 centimeters from C. Now see here, we have to draw this line more because B point as well we have to locate. So take your scale. Yes, take white and because this length has to be 14 centimeters. So draw more than 14 centimeters. Because this diagonal we have to draw how much? 14 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. So project is more. This is clear? Second one as well. Project it. Understood this one? So we have got the midpoint O. Now this is 7 centimeters. This total has to be how much? 14 centimeters. So take 7 centimeters again and from this here make an arc. This is 7 centimeters. This has to be 7 centimeters as well. Total how much? 14 centimeters. Which we got here? B. B we got here. So we can mark it as B. Now A we have to find. 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Yes. B 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters. So total from D is how far? 14 centimeters. From D it has to be 14 centimeters. This total length DB has to be 14 centimeters. O is the midpoint. From D, it is 14 centimeters. So 7 at 7 centimeters, both the at 7 centimeters on BD, both the diagonals meet. From O, 7 centimeters arc. From O, we will cut 7 centimeters arc. From O, we will cut 7 centimeters arc. 1 minute. A will be 1 minute. B is clear to everyone. Now A. 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So take an radius of 4 centimeters from O, make an arc of 4 centimeters. Make an arc of radius 4 centimeters. So which point which we have got here? A. Now we have to just join them. We have to just join them. This is how much? 14. 7 centimeters. Total is of 14 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Yes, look front. Fahad. Clear to everyone? A, how we got
Yes,
A?
sir.
From C here. A, this is 4 centimeters. This is as well 4 centimeters. This you understood. So 4 centimeters from O, make an arc of 4 centimeters. Make an arc of 4 centimeters. So from C it is how far? 8 centimeters. From C it is 8 centimeters away. 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. We got the A point. A vertex we got. It is 8 centimeters away from C. Clear to everyone? Any doubt? Yes, look front. Draw the next one. Fourth one, how to draw. Here as well, two diagonals and angle contained between them is given. Two diagonals, angle contained in between them is given. So diagonals length are 6.5 centimeter and the other is 4 centimeter long. 4 centimeter long, half we can get 2 centimeters. 6.5 centimeters, how to get half? 3.25. It is not on a scale. Smallest we can measure up to 1 mm. It's not on a scale. 3.25. Up to 3.2 we can measure. How to measure this one? 0.05 centimeter. No. So we will be bisecting the line. So first we'll be drawing 6.5 centimeters line and we will bisect it. So first I'm drawing the rough figure. See here how we are going to. Two diagonals are given. One is 6.5 centimeters. So first I have to draw a line of 6.5 centimeters. You can mark them. These are the diagonals. So AC I'm writing. Diagonals AC. It is 6.5 centimeters long. Now bisect it. From C, make an arc, make another arc on both the sides. From A, make an arc, make an arc. And this is how we have bisected the line. So this is 3.25, this is 3.2 line. 5. So we got the point where the diagonals will meet. We have got the point Here the diagonals will meet. Here the diagonals is going to meet. Vedant, stand up now. Ask me, not him. So next time ask me. How we did? See here. We have to find the midpoint of this line. At midpoint, the another diagonal will be meeting. Yes or no? Another diagonal will be meeting at the midpoint of this line. This AC is the diagonal. So how to construct? So first, draw the line of 6.5 centimeters length. We have drawn. We have to find the midpoint. So take any radius, but it must be greater than half of the. Okay, so for example, I'm taking this much. Any radius you can take. And from A, same radius, make an arc. See here, we are dividing this line into two parts. How? Look here, everyone. From C, make an arc. See here, what is the length of the 6.5? If you are taking 3 centimeters, these are never going to meet arcs. So it must be always more than 4. 5 centimeters you can take, 6 centimeters you can take, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 50 kilometers as well you can take. But you must have that much paper. Okay, so around 5 or 6, you will have the general idea how much we should take. So taken, okay, draw the arc. These two arcs must cut each other. That much length must be there. So from C, make one arc. On other side as well, make the arc. Both sides we made one arc. Now from A as well, make the arc on both sides. This is how we bisect the line. Now, see here, put the scale, either join them or just do it like this. Because you have to find only the midpoint. Or you can draw dash, dash, dash. Dash, dash, dash lines you can draw. So we got the midpoint of the line, and this is the point where the another diagonal will be passing through. This is the point where both the diagonals will meet. This is the point where both the diagonals meet. Now another diagonal. It is angle of, so we'll be drawing a line which is at an angle of 60 degree. Which is at an angle of 60 degree. So at this midpoint, draw an angle of 60 degree. At this midpoint, draw an angle of 60 degree. Drawn. This is another diagonal. This is another diagonal. And what is the length of another diagonal? 4 centimeters. It means from this midpoint, 2 centimeter this side, 2 centimeter bottom side, 2 centimeters on top side and the upper side, 2 centimeters below side. Downside. Just minute per minute. So first, you have drawn a line of AC of 6.5 centimeters. You have drawn. We bisected the line. We got the midpoint. Point passing, and the angle has to pass at what? Making an angle of 60 degree with the AC. So first, we have drawn an angle of degree. So this will be the diagonal. And this length is 4 centimeters. That is 2 from the midpoint. For example, from O, it has to be 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters on this side. Total of 4 centimeters. So take radius of 2 centimeters. Take radius of 2 centimeters. Make an arc. Make arcs on both sides. 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. So total of 4 centimeters we got. So which points we got? A, B, C, D. These are the vertices. Join them. A, D. A, B, C, D. So we got A, B, C, D parallelogram. Any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, explain again D and B.
Again, D and B how we have drawn. Okay. Okay. It's fine. See here. This diagonal we have got. Its length is how much? 4 centimeters. Total of 4 centimeters. That means from midpoint, 2 centimeters this side, 2 centimeters this side. So take 2 centimeters arc, 2 centimeters radius you take. Make an arc. So this distance is how much? 2 centimeters. This is which point? D. Similarly, take 2 centimeters here. This is again 2 centimeters. This is our B. So total, how far is B and D? 4 centimeters. D is how much? 4. Understood this time? So we have drawn a line at an angle of 60 degree with AC. On that line, 2 centimeters on both sides we are taking. And that will give us B and D respectively. And now we have to just join them. And we'll get the parallelogram. This is clear? So tomorrow we'll start with rectangle for rhombus, square, rectangle. So first we'll be discussing rectangle, then rhombus or square. Rhombus. So we start them tomorrow. So we are ending the
Sir,
class
can
here
we
now.
leave?
Thank you all.
Thank you,
Yes, you
sir.
can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.